Hello, my name is Dr. James C. Baumgaertner, MD, FAAD, BBS, dermatologist, La Crosse, Wisconsin, USA. You know, I've been practicing dermatology now for over 40 years, and I have helped many people. I've seen a lot, I've done a lot, I've cured a lot, and I've answered a lot of questions. There's one question that keeps coming up again and again, repetitively, and it's the same thing. My patients ask Dr. Baumgaertner, actually they say, Dr. B, how can I get a perfect body just like yours? Well, be honest, it's very hard. First of all, you have to be born with crooked legs, just like mine. You have to have knees that go in this direction and feet that go in that direction. It's great for running up hills. It's not so good for running down hills or skiing. Next, you have to get thumbs that look just like this. These are called racket thumbs. Actually, they're racket nails. And no, they're not good for playing tennis. They're not good for anything. Except, I don't know, maybe hitchhiking. And then you've got to get a bad heart. And you got to have heart surgery. You have to have your chest split from here to here, just like this, and have a little pig and a little cow and a Dacron sleeve put in. And then you have to have good looks. Clark Gable good looks. But frankly, I don't give a damn about that. What you really need is exercise. And I'm going to show you how to do a microwave workout so you can have a perfect body just like Dr. B. Come on, let's go. In order to do this, you have to have a microwave. No barbells, no treadmills, no gym membership. All you need is a microwave. That's the secret, a microwave. And it's easy and it's quick. You got a microwave? Yes, everybody's got a microwave. Okay, so you're set. Here's all you do. You first of all take some water in your French press. You put it in the microwave. And there's microwaves that leaks out of this. That's the secret. Just a little bit, just a little bit. And you set it for 2.5 minutes, right? And then you start the microwave workout, right? Now, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 18, 19, 20. This is my Dr. Ricola taught me this. It boosts up your nitric oxide levels. Do it real fast. You start to feel a little tingling in your fingers. Oh, you also need a sink. Of course, you got a sink in the kitchen, don't you? So then you get in a sink. 1, 4, 5, 6. See my friend here? Twenty-three, 24, 5, 30. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 40. 26 more seconds. little closer and show you how to make a special drink. Coffee. Piccadilly tea. Cinnamon. Ginger. And the French press. Best let the cinnamon and the ginger and the tea percolate a little bit. But it's really good for you, full of antioxidants. Right now my fingers are tingling because of the nitric acid production. And then you add it to your Laurel and Hardy mug. And got to French press the French press a little more. Add a little, I like blackstrap molasses too, just a little bit. Why do I like blackstrap molasses? Because I like to say blackstrap molasses. Got a nice name to it. So you add a little bit of that. Just sweeten it up a little tiny bit. Stir it up. You want to add, if you want to put a little rosemary or thyme or turmeric, those work too. And then if it's, if you got a little extra time, Bailey's works good for me too. Just a little bit, not too much, okay. And that way you've got the microwave workout. Took me 2.5 minutes, got my heart beating really fast, and it really does work. You try to do that every time you go to a microwave. That's the secret. How many times are you standing in front of a microwave for a minute or two? Lots of times. Use that time just to do some squats, some pseudo jumping jacks, push-ups, and pretty soon you'll be doing good. So this is Dr. B, wishing you happy health, and over and out.